Hey y'all, today's football day and I love good football food, don't you? I like to fix a bunch of it in the morning and eat on it all day long. And today what I'm making is my famous cheese dip. When I take this cheese dip anywhere, it's all over really fast and people are licking the spoons and trying to scrape everything they can out of the container that's served in. They love this cheese dip, and y'all, it's so easy. And this is how I do it, and I'm going to show you what's in it, and then we're going to move really fast to get some made because I got to go watch some football. How about you? So let me tell you what's in it. You need 2 cans of Rotel, or just tomatoes and green chilies, whatever your favorite brand is. And you also need 1 container of this Queso cheese dip, and you can get this at the store. I buy this at Costco, and I'm going to tell you something. It's wonderful. Don't buy this if you don't want to keep running by there and picking it up, because this stuff is so delicious. Hey, I'm in here getting this venison all browned up. It's looking so good. I don't know how you do your venison or your ground beef, whichever one you choose, but I always put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it, get it in a hot cast iron skillet, and I do recommend cast iron, and get it to browning. So that's what I've done here. Now I know I told you everything that you needed to go in this cheese dip, but this girl right here loves cheese dip, and I double it every Saturday because I have a lot of people coming to eat with us and to get cheese dip. So I will do a double portion, but remember, you just do the single portion if that's all you need. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is start heating up our cheese dip. Remember, this is the Queso cheese dip, and I'm just gonna put it in my beautiful bowl here. See how easy this is? This won't take long at all. Just get it in there. We're gonna get this in the microwave and get it heated up. Easy cheesy, as they say, and it is cheesy. It's really, really good. And we don't want to waste a bite, so there we go. Okay, this is going in the microwave, and I'm going to stir it at different increments. So go in the microwave for a minute, maybe 2 minutes, stir it, 2 more minutes. Just get it heated up just a little bit. You don't want to heat it so much that the cheese breaks, so we're going to go in for 2 minutes right now. And back over here, we're gonna get our meat ready. All right, the first thing I wanna do is get my Rotel in the pan. And y'all, I added in juice and all. And y'all know, love this stuff. I've been making it 4 years. And look at all those vegetables you're getting in your diet. See how healthy this is? All right, before I stir it up good, what I'm gonna do is add my pepper. I told you that pepper really makes a difference in this. So this is like 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now, if you don't like pepper, don't add it. But my family loves it this way. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Not a lot of salt because I already salted the meat. And y'all, this is something I love. It adds a little bit of zing to it, a little bit of heat, and this is cayenne pepper. And you do as much or as little as your family wants. Gives you a little hit in the back of the throat when you eat it. So it's pretty good stuff. All right, we're gonna stir this up and just heat it. After we get it heated up, we're gonna be ready to put the cheese together with this and have some football food. See how easy this is? Easy and fast. And it's delicious. It is a hit everywhere I take it. Okay. All right. I'm going to put the lid on and let this get heated through. And now we'll just wait, stir our cheese dip and wait for it to get warm enough. Let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that. See, this has all kind of good stuff in it, this cheese dip. Oh, I think that's enough. I'm not gonna heat that up anymore. I'm pulling this out and we're gonna start adding the good stuff. Looking good. We're really close to football food right now. Okay, y'all know what we do next? We add it together. So I'm going to move my pan to the middle and just start adding it into the cheese little by little. And this pan's hot, so I gotta get a pot holder. All right. Just start adding it in little by little. And you need a really big bowl because, you know, this is a lot of food going into this bowl. Now I will start stirring and then we'll add it a little at a time. Just ease it in there. Okay, let's get some more in there. I don't know if all of it's going to fit, so I think this is about all that's going to fit. I'm going to get this stirred up, and I'll be back with you in just a minute and show you how beautiful it is when I serve it. All right, y'all, I got my cheese dip ready. Look at this big bowl of cheese dip. This is how I serve it up, with a big bowl of cheese dip in the middle and all these on the side. It is a yummy, yummy thing, and it's great for football season or anytime, really. If you just feel like you need a little something extra, little comfort food, get you some of this cheese dip. I'm going in, people. That is delicious. It is so cheesy. The tang of the tomatoes and the peppers that's already in there, the really good meat. It is delicious. I tell you what, y'all have a good day. Let's go watch some football. From my heart to your kitchen. Y'all have fun with this recipe. Bye now.